Hello YouTube, welcome to yet another new video. Today we'll be taking a look at Dexter Hoover with checkered flag. So, let's get right into it as always. So, figuring the very first Dexter Hoover they made, which had the yellow flag, which as we can see the mouth has been changed and the expression looks more dead inside, so to say. Probably not the best way to describe it, but it just looks like it's less of an expression, I guess is the best way to put it. And then obviously the flag is checkered now. It was previously yellow and green. Old, new. Let's try and think here. So let's see. Differences on the sides. No, it doesn't look like it. No. Nothing, the slightest change in colours. Like, that's barely at all though. Barely a change at all apart from the slight change in the colour of the yellow, but that's it. And let's have a close look at Dexter Hoover with checkered flag. I can never get the flags in. And the other Dexter Hoovers, the little stands are too big to go in the holes of the mirror. So it just sort of screws me over there. I wish I already came a bit in. Or even better, have them like Thailand Christopher Stopskis do. End of the video, yeah, there's Dexter Hoover yellow flag, checkered flag, and with green flag. You should expect to review the one with green flag soon, since I'm going through and trying to review some of the re-releases from Blue Desert and 2021 mainline that I haven't reviewed yet. And then I'll move on to the 2018-19 mainline. Anyways, that's it for the video, so please remember to do all the normal stuff I tell you guys to do. Like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, yada 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 yada. You guys know the drill. And I'll see all of you in the very next video.